Would you like to serve delicious golden brown chicken wings in crispy batter just like these? You will need to be precise in preparation. Make sure to follow all the holly powder instructions. They will be very helpful in the entire process. It is essential for the meat temperature to be below 4 degrees Celsius. The meat must be cold. The best pieces are those not exceeding 100 grams in mass. Wash the meat in cold running water. Make sure it is clean. Let it drain. Cut the wing in 3 parts. Cut off any loose skin. This allows the marinade to work its way into the meat. Discard the tip and the loose skin. Put the wings in a bowl and refrigerate them until you are ready to marinate them. To prepare the marinade, you will need a bowl, a whisk, cold water, the holly powder marinade, and ice. Please refer to the information tables within the holly powder instructions to get the correct amount of marinade, water, and ice. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Pour the marinade over the cut meat. Always use protective gloves to massage the meat. It should take approximately 5 minutes to massage the meat by hand. There are 2 methods of massaging the meat. The first one is by collecting the meat inward. The second one is using the thumbs. All done. The whole marinade found its way into the meat. Let the marinated meat rest in the refrigerator for a minimum of 12 hours, or the whole night. To coat the meat, you will need a container for the coating and a bowl for water with a basket. It is important to keep your hands dry throughout the coating process. Use kitchen tongs to move the meat around. Depending on the size of the frying machine, place the correct amount of meat into the water. Evenly place the pieces of meat in the coating. Never touch the meat directly, only through the coating. Separate the pieces of meat, gently lifting them from the bottom. Next, begin the coating using the CPT principle. Collect. Press. Toss. Collect the meat and cover it with the coating powder. Press the coating to the meat. Toss the coated meat once. Collect, press, toss. Repeat this 3 times. Gently grab 2 strips by their ends and shake off the excess coating by tapping your wrists against one another 3 times. Put the wings in the water. With practice, you'll be able to grab 4 wings at the same time. Gently shake the basket, especially when coating large quantities. Wait for the water to drain. For the second time, evenly place the strips in the coating. Just like before, gently separate the wings by lifting them from the bottom. This time, begin the coating using the CT principle. Collect, toss. Collect the meat and cover it with the coating. Toss the meat in the coating powder. Like the first time, repeat this 6 times. Gently grab 2 strips by their ends and shake off the excess coating by tapping your wrists against one another 3 times. Pick up the wings and gently press the coating into the meat by rotating them in the hands 3 times simultaneously. You can use the palm of your hand to make sure the coating sticks to the bottom of the wings. Place the elements in a frying basket. Thanks to this technique, your wings will have golden brown skin. Immediately after filling the basket, dip it in hot oil at 170 degrees Celsius. Shake the basket after 30 seconds. Depending on the frying machine, the approximate frying time of wings is 7.5 minutes. Congratulations! You can now enjoy the taste of perfectly flaky and juicy chicken wings in the holly powder coating. You can find more information and the necessary instructions on our website, www.hollypowder.com.